Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, from this video I am starting a new series on JavaScript version 6 ES6. This JavaScript is a modified version of older Java, and in this video series we are going to learn the new features those are introduced in JavaScript under ES6 and the plus version coming in the future. So most of the modification in JavaScript comes in ES6 is a standard version, and Node.js and your React Native, React framework, all the frameworks also use these modified JavaScript. So in this video we are going to discuss, or we are going to learn the first topic, that is called template string. In this template string we have two parts, templates literals and tagged template literals. So one by one we just discuss what is template string, how we can use these things in JavaScript version 6 called ES6, and how we can use tag template literals also. So with example we understand, if we say in previous JavaScript, if I declare any string like I want to display, I have a variable like name, and I say here on Dr. Vipin Kumar like this, and I want to display this message like console.log, and here if I say my name is like this, and I have to plus, and then I have to use the name. So this is the older version in previous version of JavaScript before ES6. If I run this, you will see the output that we have to save it first, and then I run it, and you see that my name is like this, there is no space, so I have to give space also like this, then save it again, and I have to run it. You see my name is equal to Dr. Vipin Kumar, like this the output is coming. It's the older one, and for running this I have installed the Node.js. You see the node and the file name is automatically coming, and for running this I have installed this autorunner code runner, that is the plugin, run coder, that is the plugin in this VS Code editor. So you can install the Node.js in your machine, and you also install the plugin code runner, and this code runner will execute your task. Otherwise you can go to terminal and you can execute yourself also, like write node and then you put the name of the file template string like this and just call, and you will have the same output. So these are the way to execute the JavaScript. I am not executing on browser every time, I am just giving you the overview of new JavaScript features. Just I execute it, and you see this is the older one, and we have some problem also. The new one, the new method of template literals is, you see the same output but with different logic. For that we have to use a tilde operator. This tilde operator is situated in your keyboard just left side of 1 2 3 4 5 alpha, these digits are there in your keyboard, and just down the escape key. So just below the escape key and just left side of the 1 we have a tilde operator. Use this operator, and here you write like my name is, and give the space, or we can say equal to whatever you want, and then we have to use dollar symbol, and then we have to use the this space, and I have to give the name. You see I have this dollar symbol, under this curly brackets I have the variable name. So this value will display without any problem, and it look better also. You see the same output is there. I can put equal to also if you want to put like this, and I just save it again and I run it again, and you will see the same output, but this is ES6. One more thing we can also say like this, we have a variable, for example num1 equal to 10, and I have a num2 equal to 20 for example, and then I have to calculate the sum or some other operations. So I can do tilde operator and I can say sum of, you say num1, and in place of num1 I can also replace like this, sum of this num1 and then dollar curly brackets num2 then equal to, then we have again dollar and I say num1 plus num2. You see how simple it is. Just I write this one under the dollar symbol. We have the expression also, and here we have a variable name also. If I save it and run again, and you will see that the sum of 10 and 20 equal to 30. So this is the way to use the template literals in ES6. Now we are just going to understand tag template literals. In tag template literals we can use function, and this function name, for example, I say display, and here I will create a variables. You can give any name. I say string and I say dot 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 values like this. You can give any name to these variable, no problem. Now I will display this thing. You see how I will use it, and I say string and I say 0, then I again copy and paste this. Again I just copy paste and I say 1 and then I say 2 like this. Now I display again the value whatever I am transferring, that is the values, and here 0, and now again I just copy this one 3 times. You see 3 times, and I just give the array index 0, 1 and 2. This function is ready. Now how I will use the function? You see, I will give the name of the function, then I will give tilde operator. Remember, no function bracket, tilde operator, and I say sum of, remember sum of, and then I say num1 like this, and then I say num2 then equal to, and I say that num1 plus num2. Remember that this is the function, and here 1 string, 2 string, and I say sum of num1 and num2 is this one. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3. 3 strings are there, 1, 2, 3 numbers are there. You see I have 0, 1, 2, 3, and I save it and I run it. You will see first one sum of, that is string 0, then 1 that is end, then 2 string 2 that is, then num1, this one is 10 value 0, then 1 20, then last one is the sum of two number is 2. So like this I can modify the method also, this function also in JavaScript, and using tilde operator we can pass the string, and automatically the string and the values of this string is filter here. Automatically number will goes to this one and string will goes to this one, and this is features available only in ES6 version. So you can use all these things under the template string. So there are two types of template string, template literals and tag template literals. This one we have understand here how we can use this template string in ES6. So that's all in this video. See you for next video. Thank you for watching my video.